Again, rally car fans, so we have an older car from this brand that doesn't exist anymore called CM's. This is from SS3 Lancia collection. Here's 3 of the models from that collection, and they're the other 3 models from this collection. But the one we're talking about came out of this box. I think it's a secret chase. It's basically this car with the lights in the down position, whereas the stock one has them all up. There's some images there of it. When did this come out? 2005, this particular model came out. Okay, but sadly CM's is no more. It's too bad. They made awesome models of really cool race cars, with historical significance. This packaging does seem excessively large. It was a different time before anyone cared about the future. Maybe a lot of people still don't care about the future and ignore a lot of it, but living in denial, that is a human trait. Alright, so you got this antenna that's always stuck to the bottom. I am going to take this off the base. So, I do find that maybe these plastic mud flaps can break off. And sadly, that's going to go into the trash. I don't have room to collect it. Alright, only one antenna. It's kind of weak. They should give you 2, because these things break easily. Okay, let's just put that off there. Put it in there by the base. And will it require glue? Let's see. I think it's a pretty good friction fit. It should be alright. It's kind of thick plastic, so it might prove durable. Alright, so here's some images of the car. It's all dirtied up there. And the lights are in the up position. I'm going to guess it basically just ran with the lights up all the time. Right? Why wait until the things pop up? You need to see when you're rallying around. That one right there, but I don't know what. Oh, that looks like maybe a number 5 or 6. I assume it's the same car though, so, appearance wise. Alright, let's get a wide angle here. So the wheels, they're blanked off. Obviously that's not very good. I don't know why they did that. They could have easily had them hollow. The tires, from the side, the tread box don't look too bad, but they are treaded. Alright, so as you can see some paint bubbling going on already. It's the problem with diecast. Very often leads to paint rash. Some sort of reaction, chemical reactions within the metals or something. As you can see, yeah, the lights are in the down position, and that gap is kind of annoying, but I like this car so much, I still got it. Nice vents. Nice ribbing there for the vents. You got the Rally Monte Carlo. This car won that race, but I believe. Wiper blade up here is painted black. There is some black paint, I think, for the window molding. Alright. You got the driver's names there, nice and legible. There's a door handle recessed here, very good. That's just a recessed window. This funky wing, it actually is passing air there, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, the mud flaps, they are plastic, and they can break, so be careful. All this sponsorship, though, is a tampo print, meaning paint. It's not a decal, right? So, unfortunately, it's just the fact that it's on a metal body. You can see all the paint rash coming through the paint, so that's too bad. That could be a lock or something for the hood, or maybe these are quick releases for the louvers, not sure. The wing here comes to a pretty fine edge. It's going around to the front. We got just blanked off stuff. I don't know why. It would have been cool if they put black paint here, but this looks like it's silver in that as well. There is the license plate, and I'm pretty sure that's real to the real race car. These are raised. I'm not sure what they would be though. Leave a comment if you know. I'm not sure also why it says Rome. Is that where the race ends or the race starts? I don't know. There's a tiny, really stubby mirror here, made of plastic. Okay. Oh, is that a paint chip? That's a massive paint chip. So, previous owner must have dropped it or something, or maybe it just came like that from the factory. You know, these models weren't that expensive when they were new. In fact, hold on. Yeah, so this is 630 yen back then. That's less than $5 in today's money. Maybe even $4. So, with that into account, you know, this is a fantastically detailed model. So much paint going on with these things. Maybe that's why the company went under. Maybe they weren't able to make money with all these paint applications on these models. Although Mini GT does it, right? So I guess it can be done. License plate looks good. Clear plastic taillights look great. Maybe those are the backups, but they're not painted. And then you got this little stuff, like sausage exhaust tip. And I don't know if there should be another one. No, maybe not. Look at the rear photo. That is the exhaust tip. It doesn't stick out because they're trying to keep the header lengths equal. This is a transverse engine. So that's why one side is a long exhaust tip, the other side does not. Alright, the mud flaps there. And then CMs never took credit for their work. It's really strange. Doesn't tell you what the car is or even what brand it is. Really odd. Okay. And it's really press fit together, so modifying it would be a toughie. In particular those wheels. They do roll though, if you're into toys. There's some sort of friction going on there. Maybe the tires scraping the diecast, I guess. So a few others. This is by Mini GT, I believe. Yeah, alright. Mini GT also, they don't tell you what the car is. It's really odd. Alright. And this does use decals. Back here, all this was covered up by the decal, and I literally took a toothpick and opened the decal up. So that's a problem with decals. But the rest of it is tampo printed, so I commend them for doing that. And now you can see the wheels here are hollow. So advancements, or just I guess Mini GT cares to do a better job. Here's a dirty up version by CMs of I guess the same exact car, but with the lights up. So basically this is the most realistic of the three, maybe, because it actually looks like it's running in a dirty rally. And now the other CMs, we have a street going car, the Group 5 turbo car. So yeah, it's still a Stratos, but meant for road racing. It's such a cool looking car. It looks like a wedge. It's a wedge, but you can race it. A racing wedge. So you're gonna have to hop on eBay, or if you're lucky, you might find it at a used toy store or something. Yeah, that's it. CM's isn't around anymore, but I think their models are still nice. Okay, well thank you for watching. Not sure if there's going to be any more CM's videos, but I really don't know exactly how many models they made. There's no central database anywhere, so it is a possibility I'll get another one out there. See you in the next video. Bye.